Hello everyone. So today we will see how to fill a Japan JLPT form. So you have to go onto this site which is called info.gs jlpt.jp slash acquisition slash. In this you have to go to this. Also you can change the language from here itself which says English, but that means individual. So you have to click on the blue link and then they'll give you two options. You have to choose this. Afterwards, you have to all the way go down, which says agree. So you have to say agree. Then they'll give you the registration form in which you have to write your name in a capital letters. Then after you need to select your region. This is India. Then you have to go all the way down to just say OK. Then you have to select your first language. Hindi. Okay. Then you'd say OK. Then afterward you have to say female. Then you have to tell your birth date. Month and date. Okay. Then afterward you have to take this. Then you have to tell the postal code where you live, like Tokyo postal code, Chiba postal code, Osaka postal code. So you can choose any, like the postal code where you live of your city. Then afterward I'm choosing the random one, which is Tokyo. Then I'm taking another random, like just a random. Okay, then afterward I'm taking just a random number. And here I'm taking the site and a password which I'm choosing my own. So and here we are done. So you have to confirm your confirmation, save your password, and here there is an interface. Go on register. Then you have to check your mail. Okay, go on to the mail. Then they'll give you the URL. You have to click onto the URL. Then before clicking onto the URL, you have to they'll give you one more JLPT. So you have to write the password and then just enter. Then you have to check one more time your mail. So you have to go back, then one more mail. Here in this mail, you will get your JLPT ID. Okay, you have to copy this ID. You have to all the way go back, go into the home, and just click on this blue button which says in English it's called login. So you have to log in. You have to remove this and whatever you have just copied your JLPT mail ID, you just paste it here and with the password. So password is the same as you have mentioned in the previous registration box. So I'm just logging in it and here you have to save your username and ID, everything you should need to save it so that you won't forget once it's needed. You have to go on examination application and you have to say individual application and here is your application, so you have to submit it up. Everything is there, you have to just say agree and here is your application form. So here is your test area which you wanted to, a photograph which you need to upload, your name, your residence card number which you have it, your expiry, and maybe it has an expiry date number. You have to write it down. You have selected the origin and everything is selected, and major part is selected. You have to tell this is not mandatory, so you can leave it. And some of the questions are there. You have to apply for what JLPT purpose. You can apply any purpose, like for the graduation, for the scholarship, for the job. You can put anything. Then for the occupation, then you have to pay for your test fee. Test fee, it can be anything. So this is done. So you can select any level. So firstly, you need to select everything, and once it is selected, they'll move to your next page to pay the fees. So I hope you've understood.